Welcome to Batam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I will share the formula for the Honda HRV with the NH821M color code, and color's name is Rush Black Matte. For that I ask for your support so that my YouTube channel can grow and will continue to share formulas for other cars. For that, before watching the mixing process, if you feel this video is interesting and useful, please move your finger to like, comment, share and subscribe, and press the notification bell and the black bell, so that various other formulas can continue. Thank you for sharing, and subscribing, and may you be given the ease of sustenance and good luck in your life.
The first formula is crystal white, 22 gram, and then pearl violet medium, 7 gram, super black, 43 gram, blue violet, 2.2 gram, rose red, 4 gram, transparent red brown, 4 gram, sparkle coarse silver, 0.4 gram, frost white, 2 gram, tone control, 3 gram, super white, 0.2 gram. That's the tinter coat that will be the formula for the Rush Black Matte color for the Honda HRV with the NH821M color code. This is a fairly unique color type, because the color is dark, but the particles in it have a green effect with a purple blend evenly visible from the side. The character of the diamond color looks rough when exposed to sunlight or bright lights. This kind of color is very rare or rarely found in other brand cars. Well, that's how I used to share this formula. Next time we will meet again on car colors with other formulas and color codes.